Okay, our news editor Maruk Inayat is joining us live from the Mumbai airport where Air Force One will be landing. Maruk's giving us this morning a sense of what's happening and what's on the president's itinerary. Maruk.
Standing right outside, there is, of course, a huge security presence. We've been seeing several security officials of the United States also arriving here in their separate cavalcades, getting set for the American president to arrive. We are also being told that as part of the party which will be receiving the President of the United States will be the Maharashtra Chief Minister Ashok Chavan, along with him the Protocol Minister, also Salman Khurshid, who is the Minister in waiting for this particular presidential visit of the American President. So clearly all the preparations are in place, but one gets a sense of what the American President's visit is likely to be, because on board with him, Air Force One, are most of the team members belong to the economic side rather than the geopolitical side. Interestingly, the U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton is not accompanying the President, which happens on most foreign trips of the President of the United States. But they'll be arriving here at around, roughly we're being told, 12:55 Indian Standard Time. And from here, the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, the President and the First Lady, along with their close aides, will go on board the Marine One chopper onto INS Shikra. And from there they will take the presidential limousine, which is nicknamed the Beast, which had come in a couple of days ago, and go to the Taj, and from there on the rest of the events through the course of the day as the presidential itinerary goes.